The SmartHQ Service Customer Portal makes purchasing hardware and subscriptions easy. In this example, we will demonstrate how to purchase one Bluetooth module and one annual subscription. Upon initial sign-in, you will be greeted with a welcome message asking if you'd like to activate a bundle pack. For this scenario, select No and click Continue. Next, you will be prompted to select the number of modules and subscriptions you'd like to purchase. You may proceed to make your selections from here, but for now, let's click Skip and go right to the customer portal. Also, please note that the SmartHQ Service application can be downloaded to both Android and iOS devices. Under Manage Purchases, we can see that no licenses are available. Click Buy Subscription to go to the Purchase section. Now, select one Bluetooth module and one annual subscription. Click Continue to go to the Payment section. Enter your payment information and click Subscribe to complete the purchase. An order summary will be sent to your email. As you can see, we now have one available license. Let's go ahead and allocate it to a technician. Click Allocate Licenses and enter the technician's information. Please be sure to select the correct device type and click Save. The license has now been successfully allocated, and the technician will receive an email with detailed instructions on how to set up the SmartHQ Service app. If you have any questions about this process, please email smarthqservice.support@geappliances.com.